Ever wondered how trees grow so tall and strong? Let's find out. It all starts with a tiny seed. With the right conditions, it begins to sprout. First, roots grow deep into the soil, searching for water and nutrients. Next, a little sapling emerges, reaching for the sunlight. Sunlight and water are essential. They help the tree make its food through photosynthesis. As the tree grows, it develops strong branches and leaves. Trees provide homes for many creatures, creating a thriving ecosystem. With time, the tree matures, bearing fruits and flowers, continuing the cycle of life. And that's how trees grow well. Remember, every big tree starts with a small seed. Plant a tree today and watch it grow.